Question number 1. The two species which are morphologically almost identical but they do not interbreed, such species are called evolutionary species, sibling species, polytypic species, evolutionary trend. So correct answer is option 2. Sibling species are morphologically similar but they do not interbreed with each other. Question number 2. A taxon is a hierarchical unit of taxonomy. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 3. Classification is present between kingdom and phylum, phylum and order, order and family, family and genus. So correct answer is option 2. Class, taxa class is present between the phylum and order. Question number 4. The order is placed between kingdom and phyla, kingdom and class, class and family, genus and species. So correct answer is option 3. The taxon order is present between class and family. Question number 5. Those species which can interbreed among themselves but cannot do so with other species are known as morphological species, biological species, ecological species, interbreeding species. So correct answer is option 2. Biological species can interbreed with each other but they cannot interbreed with other species. Question number 6. Which of the following is highest in hierarchy? Order, species, class, genus. So correct answer is option 3. Class is the highest taxon in taxonomic hierarchy. Question number 7. The word hierarchy was given by Carolus Linnaeus, John Ray, Lamarck, Berset. So correct answer is option 1. Carolus Linnaeus introduces the word hierarchy. Question number 8. The two species that are occupying the same or overlapping area is called sympatric species, allopatric species, parapatric species, ring species. So correct answer is option 1. Sympatric species occupy the same or overlapping area. Question number 9. Binomial nomenclature was first mentioned in which book? Systema Naturae, Historia Animalium, Historia Planatum, or Philosophic Zoologic. So correct answer is option 1. Binomial nomenclature was first mentioned in the book Systema Naturae that was written by Carolus Linnaeus. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. 10. Which of the following is not included in situ conservation? National Park, Sanctuary, Botanical Garden, Biosphere Reserve. So correct answer is option 3. Botanical Garden is not included in situ, rather it is a type of ex situ conservation. Question number 11. Select the false statement. Option 1. Scientists who study and contribute to the classification of organisms are known as systematics. Option 2. Carolus Linnaeus developed the first scientific system of naming species. Option 3. A five-kingdom arrangement of organism was introduced by Robert Whittaker. Option 4. Genus is a group of species which are related and have less characters in common as compared to the other species. Option 5. Phycomycetes are called club fungi because of club shaped basidium as end of mycelium. तो इसमें जो इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है वो है पाँचवीं, यानी फिफ्थ स्टेटमेंट जो फाइकोमाइसीट्स हैं वो क्लब फंजाई नहीं कहलाते बल्कि बेसिडियोमाइसीट्स को क्लब फंजाई कहते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. डार्विन इज द ऑथर ऑफ जेनरा प्लेंट्रम, origin of species, natural selection, theory of evolution. So correct answer is option 2. The book Origin of Species was written by Charles Darwin. Question number 13. Who proposed the term alpha, beta and gamma in taxonomy? D. Condell, Turrell, Huxley, Lamarck. So correct answer is option 2. Turrell introduces the term alpha, beta as well as gamma in taxonomy. Question number 14. The two plants that are taxonomically related if they store carbohydrate in the same type of molecule or both obtain energy from hydrolysis of ATP or both have similar lobed palmate leaves or both have pinnately veined leaves. So correct answer is option 1. Two plants belongs to same taxonomy if they store carbohydrate in same type of molecule. Question number 15. Which of the following pair are not related? Mendel performed experiments on Pisum sativum. Morgan performed experiments on Drosophila. Bentham and Hooker proposed the binomial nomenclature. और होगो डी वरीज performed experiments on Oenothera lamarckiana. तो इसमें जो इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है वो है ऑप्शन 3 कि बेंथम और होकर जो है उन्होंने बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर नहीं दी थी बल्कि बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर कैरोलस लिनियस ने रिप्रेजेंट किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. In which of the following organisms are very much similar to each other? Order, class, genus, species. So correct answer is option 4. Organism belonging to the same species, they are much similar to each other. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Binomial nomenclature was given by Linnaeus, Whittaker, Huxley, Darwin. So correct answer is option 1. Linnaeus introduces the binomial nomenclature system. Question number 18. ICBN stand for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 19. Plantrum was written by Engler and Pruntle, Bentham and Hooker, Carolus Linnaeus, Arthur Cronquist. So correct answer is option 3. The book Genera Plantrum was written by Carolus Linnaeus. Question number 21. The standard size of herbarium sheet is 29 by cross 41 centimeter per square, 50 cross 10 or 41 cross 29 are variable size. So correct answer is option 3. The standard size of herbarium sheet is 41 cross 29 centimeter per square और अगर इंचेस में देखें तो ये 11.5 से 16.5 इंचेस के दरमियान बनता है. Question number 22. New systematics and the concept of life was given by Clementia, Elton, Odom, Huxley. So correct answer is option 4. Sir Julian Huxley introduces the new systematics as well as concept of life. Question number 23. In which book Bentham and Hooker proposed their classification system? Genera Plantrum, Species Plantrum, Historia Plantrum, Historia Nature. So correct answer is option 1. Bentham and Hooker proposed their classification system in Genera Plantrum book. Question number 24. Question number 25. Which one of the following statement correctly define the term homonym? Homonym are the identical name of two different taxons. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 26. Linnaeus is associated with Historia Plantrum, Origin of Species, Systema Nature or Origin of Life. So correct answer is option 3. Linnaeus is associated with the Systema Nature book. Question number 27. The Oryza sativa is a binomial name of rice plant. The sativa stands for specific name, specific epithet, species name, specific nomenclature. So correct answer is option 2. Sativa stands for specific epithet that distinguish it from the other members of genus Oryza. Question number 28. External fertilization occurs in majority of algae, fungi, liverworts, mosses. So correct answer is option 1. Algae have external fertilization. Question number 29. The largest number of species that are traced in Arthropoda, Echinodermata, bacteria, fungi. So correct answer is option 1. The largest number of species are present under Arthropoda phylum. Question number 30. The taxonomic hierarchy refers to the stepwise arrangement of all categories for classification of plants and animals. So correct answer is option 1.